This question belongs to Theory of Computation subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 Set 2. So the question states, if L1 equals to a to the power n, n is greater than or equal to 0, and L2 equals to b to the power n, n is greater than or equal to 0. Consider 1. L1.L2 is a regular language. L1.L2 is equals to a to the power n, b to the power n, where n is greater than or equal to 0. Which of the following is correct? Okay. So what is L1? L1 is any number of a's. So we can write the regular expression as a star. What is L2? L2 is any number of b's. We can write it as b star. Now what is L1 into L2? L1 into L2 is concatenation of C. We can write the regular expression. Thus L1 is regular and L2 is also regular. Now what is L1.L2? It is concatenation of two regular languages. And concatenation of two regular languages is also regular. So L1.L2 is also regular. So option 1 is true. Or you can also do it by another method by computing L1.L2. So what is our L1? L1 is our any number of a's. So it is equal to epsilon, a, double a, triple a, and so on. What is L2? L2 is any number of b's. So it is equal to epsilon, b, double b, triple b, and so on. So what is L1.L2? It means epsilon is concatenated with everything. So we get epsilon, b, double b, triple b, and so on. A is concatenating with everything. So we get a, ab, a double b, a triple b, and so on. Now double a is concatenated with everything of b. So we get double a b, double a double b, double a triple b, and so on. Now triple a is concatenated with everything. We get triple a b, triple a double b, triple a triple b, and so on. It goes on like this. So what is L1.L2? You can see it is any number of a's followed by any number of b's. First we have a's and then b's. So it is equal to a star, b star. And as we can write regular expression, thus it is regular. Now let us see L1.L2 equals to a to the power n, b to the power n. N is greater than or equal to 0. No, this is false. And it means number of a's and b's should be equal. So it takes care of cases like this. Double a, double b, a, b, triple a, triple b. But we can have other cases too, like only a's, only b's, or unequal number of a's and b's. Here we have single a, 3b, here we have 2a, 1b. So it is not a to the power n, b to the power n. It is a to the power x, b to the power y, where x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. So correct answer is only 1 is true, option A.